Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best DSLR camera available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Canon DSLR Camera. It is perfect for beginners. This camera bundle offers the essential tools needed. It's to take your SLR skills new heights all in one convenient package. No matter where your next adventure takes you. It also captures high-quality images even in low-light situations. The EOS Rebel T7 camera can help mobile device users take their photography to the next level. It comes with a large 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, fast autofocus, and built-in wireless connectivity and more. It combines fantastic features with easy operation for high-quality images you'll be proud to share. At number 5 we have Nikon DSLR Camera. Its tilting LCD screen comes with touch functionality 51-point AF system. And with 15 cross-type sensors and group area AF paired with up to 8 FPS continuous shooting capability, 4K Ultra HD, and 1080p Full HD video with stereo sound, power, aperture control, auto ISO, 4K UHD Time-Lapse and more. The D7500 uses the same 180,000 pixel RGB sensor as the D500 to detect human faces and improve AF performance during high-speed shooting. You can capture with phenomenal sharpness and tonality, especially in low-light situations like concerts, sporting events, parties and events. This 4K Ultra HD video and pro-grade creative tools all in a comfortable rugged design. This is a camera for the new generation of creators. At number 4 we have Canon DSLR Camera. The camera with the quality your photos deserve. The EOS Rebel T7 can be ideal for smartphone or digital point-and-shoot camera users looking to step up their imaging game. It's equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS image sensor for highly detailed vibrant photos and videos even in low light. Whether you're out on an adventure hike or snapping candids of your friends during a late night out, the EOS Rebel T7 can help you take photos you'll want to show off. It is built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, makes it easy to share, print, or get your favorite pictures up on select social media sites for your friends, family and the world to see. It is easy to use and simple to share. With the EOS Rebel T7 delivers high image quality that's sure to catch the audience's eye. At number 3 we have Canon DSLR Camera. The EOS 90D is packed with features like high-speed continuous shooting up to 10 FPS. It has also impressive face detection AF for easy tracking and superb focus 4K 30p video capability. And an 8-way multi-controller for enhanced control. That's making it perfect for sporting events, wildlife, portrait and wedding photography and more. It has 2 multi-controller buttons located on the back of the camera, make it easy for you to locate and control customizable camera functions while looking through the optical viewfinder. The 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor's light capturing design helps deliver clear high-resolution images. It also enables fast continuous shooting and autofocus for once-in-a-lifetime moments. At number 2 we have Nikon DSLR Camera. The record cinema quality Full HD footage comes with photo-like sharpness, vibrant color and crystal clear stereo sound. It comes with pair. The D5600 comes with an AFP lens which uses a stepping motor for smooth near-silent autofocus to ensure maximum audio fidelity. It's create amazing time-lapse movies right in the camera. The shoot fast action comes with confidence at 5 frames per second so you never miss that perfect moment. The D5600 puts unlimited creative potential in your hands. At number 1 we have Nikon DSLR Camera. The included Canon APS-C format f/18 to 55mm STM lens is a sleek and flexible option for everyday shooting. This lens covers wide-angle to portrait-length perspectives and features an optical image stabilizer to minimize the appearance of camera shake by up to 4 stops for sharper handheld shooting. The 1A spherical element is featured in the optical design to improve sharpness and resolution by minimizing spherical aberrations and distortion. And a super spectra coating has also been applied to suppress flare and ghosting. Additionally, an STM stepping AF motor is used to realize quick and near-silent autofocus performance along with full-time manual focus override. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best DSLR cameras for your need.